Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2015 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 135,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, front wheel drive, remote trunk release, mini spare tire, 4-wheel disc brakes, privacy glass. Come see the car for yourself.